Now, if you're a marketer, content creator, content writer, anything of the sorts, or even an entrepreneur looking to level up their marketing, now you've probably been sleeping on NotebookLM. Now, what is NotebookLM? Now, this is an AI-powered research tool developed by Google. It's got the power of Gemini behind it, and this is so powerful. It's all in the box. It's a free tool. So let's quickly check it out, and then let's see how we can use this to level up our content and our marketing game. All right, so we're in NotebookLM now. Now what we can do is create a new project, and what NotebookLM allows you to do is it lets you upload sources to train the tool. So there's a few ways you can do this. You can upload files, so PDF text, markdown file, audio. You can upload Google Docs, Google Slides, links, YouTube, and text. Now, where would you use something like this? Well, let me show you. So what we're going to do is we're going to train this. I'm going to use my own site, and we're going to train it on a website. All right, so head over to Everyday CMO. Now we've got a few blogs on here. All right, now one of the problems I have as a content executive is that I'm responsible for social media of an account, and there's multiple different tools that I use on a daily basis to create written content. The problem I have is that there's so many different tools that I'm having to stack on one on the other to output something. So let's take my site and brand for an example. Okay, so we want to train it on my brand. To start off, we'll take, my website, drop that in. So insert that. All right, let's add another source whilst we're here. Okay, and let's take a couple of these blogs. Let's add this in. Okay, we'll take another one, and then let's add this as a source. And then let's also take a YouTube link. Let's put a YouTube video in there as well. And you can see what we're doing. We're adding all this data. Now, how NotebookLM works is it actually reads data, reads web pages, it watches the video and listens to the video, and also looks at the visuals of the video. Now, what that means is we can build a profile, and this is a profile we can exit, and we can also come back to it. We can just keep inputting more and more data, more and more information. And now this profile has kind of learned everything about the content we've added it. And now this works like an AI chatbot or like a language model, where we can ask it more questions and give it tasks to do off of what we trained it. So for example, I could say now, give me 30 different social media posts from this content to share on the brand social accounts. Give me the copy to go with the posts. Okay, now let's trained it. We've input these sources, so we've given it data to go off of. Now bear in mind, this is free. This is blowing my mind. So there we go. We've hit go. We give it 10-20 seconds, and then boom, it is out. It's given us 30 different social media posts with the copy, drawing from the provided sources. So I mean, this, and the fact that this is free, okay, this is cool. We've generated some posts from content. Okay, let's take it up another notch. So let's just select one source from now. So this is just my video that's on B2B Outreach on LinkedIn. So we can say, reviewing this video, how could I make it better? And now this has actually watched the video, and it's not just watched it, it's taken in everything that's been said and everything that's been displayed on screen. So here we go. How can we make my video better? And there's some pointers here. And this is all linked to the source. If we click the source, it's linked, it refers back to the source. And even things as specific as, so the video ends with a call to like and subscribe. So it could be enhanced by adding specific actions viewers can take to implement the advice. So yeah, that's something I didn't cover. Okay, so what else can we do with this? So I've just picked a random video from the homepage, right? This 10+ AI agent team, etc. I've not watched the video, but what we can do is we can copy this. We could make a new project, upload a new source, and we can, so it's digested the content. Now we can say, what content can we want to create from this initial video? Oh, boom, just like that. We've got some really, really detailed points to go off of. And this isn't even our video, But it doesn't end here. You can do this on websites. You can do this on PDFs. And the fact that it's all put together on a really concise homepage, so you can have specific projects for exactly what you're doing. If you were a social media agency, you could take your client's website and all of their documents and IP, you can feed this into NotebookLM on their own profile. And from then you can, with a click of a button, generate a month's worth of social media copy, a series of blogs or a series of video ideas, and then you can go on to then say, okay, I like this idea, how can you generate a script? And one of the projects can take up to 50 sources at a time. So the fact that this program digests all of this information, I think this is such a powerful tool. And the fact that it's free, if I'm amazed I've even slept on this tool till now, but this is such a game changer, and this is going to change content and content marketing for good. Now, what other ideas and what other use cases do you have for this tool? What can you see yourself doing with this? Let us know in the comments what your thoughts are and how this is going to change your content creation. Thanks for joining on the video. My name's Dom from Everyday CMO, and this is the channel where we make full stack marketing simple and we stay ahead of the curve. Be true innovators. Drop the video a like if you got any value. Subscribe and stay tuned for more. Let's get busy in 2025.